Today I'll be reviewing the Earthy scented candle, and this is made from 100% natural soy wax and 5% pure essential oil. So it's packaged really nicely, and when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It comes in this container like this. So this scent that I got was the lavender scent, and this is what the container looks like. It's like my last oh look, it's on fire. So this is what it's very funny. It's good for like a gift and I just love the funny printing on it. So I'm going to light it up and show you what it looks like. As you can see, it has only 1 wick. So let me turn on my lighter and I'll light it up. Okay. Okay. So already, even while it's lighted up, I can already smell it. I can smell that it smells so good. So this is what it looks like. It's really a nice addition to my candle collection, and it's burning really well. You can see from the wick, I know that the wick will not melt into the wax. So yeah, love it.